Well, hello. This is Kumayo Hilti. How you guys doing? So, hear me out. Moses' name is often understood to mean born of water or child of the Nile. In Somali, water that flows through a small opening is referred to as Nile, which signifies water escaping from a narrow passage and potentially leading to a flood. This concept gives rise to a Somali saying, Biente nukso garden balaiska mosa, which translates to create a dam before the flood. Now that we got that out of the way, additionally, in Somali culture, we reference Moses in another context, calling it Musa Dhow. This serves as a warning of something unnatural, a cry of alarm that shouldn't be ignored. It echoes the sentiment expressed in the English saying, Don't play with fire, you might get burned. Consider this your warning. Bye.